So here we are out at our first farm. Yeah, there's a pool. Here come some of the puppies.
Because we really get to meet you, you know? Whoops. Sorry.
We're out at the real farm. There goes all the chickens.
You're living the life, you know, your dream.
It's a lot of work.
There's a true outhouse. Look at that.
I'll tell you a story. It's this one.
I can imagine. That's what they said on the winery, the same thing.
Mm-hmm.
But they said, at least they said they wouldn't trade it.
Oh, we wouldn't either.
They said the freedom of it, you know, living your dream. And they said that they, with the Harvest Host, they seem to have liked the visitor, you know, the experience of it as a host.
Well, yeah, because not everybody gets to see a working farm every day.
No, up close and personal, and meet the owners.
We have a lot of people that enjoy it.
Wow, where'd they all go?
They might be out there in the shade under the trees.
Oh, we walk back up here.
Now you can have your cookie.
Y'all want another cookie?
Yeah.
All right, here we go.
Here.
Yep, Angela's gonna give them a cookie. Here, oh, here they all come. Here they come. Now they seen it. They said, "Ooh,
Can the dog have a cookie?
oh my gosh, here they come."
We don't want
Look at them running. Oh my gosh.
to. The majority of them get sold for breeding stock. Some of these girls are pretty old.
Oh, really?
They're all
Well, yeah, I was gonna ask, and
if you see some that look like this that don't have the black bellies, they're mixes.
Oh, okay.
one I was gonna ask, because I don't know what you call it. Do you take them to market, slaughter? What's like the official word?
Wow, you're like
we
dominating.
call it freezer camp.
Freezer camp. Okay.
That,
All right, freezer camp. Look at him.
send more to breeding
He said,
homes
"Give
than
me
they
some
do
of them
freezer
cookies."
camp.
Oh yeah, give me some cookies.
But they're all sweethearts.
Oh,
Oh, here you go.
They're all sweethearts.
I don't want you to feel like you didn't get any.